Today we'll talk about how can you set a new passcode on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on messaging, just click on it, and then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to passcode lock, just click on here, and you click on setup now. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you enter new passcode. So I'm going to add this for example, then you repeat it again. So then automatically it's going to add with you on your Truecaller app. Like you see, it's active with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.